You can track and manage online orders for multiple fulfillment types from your online Square dashboard or the Square app. You can accept orders with your Square online store, integrate with an e-commerce partner, or by creating a custom-built API for your website by heading to squareup.com/developers. Just keep in mind, Square's API allows you to build a payment platform from the ground up while using Square to securely process your online payments. So you may need to hire a developer since technical knowledge is required. Once your customers start purchasing online, you can manage orders from your Square dashboard. Just keep in mind, the process will vary slightly depending on the fulfillment type. To get started with pickup orders, head to the Orders tab of your online Square dashboard. From here, you'll see a list of your orders. You can filter to view active, completed, upcoming, or all orders. Click on an order to take action. Click Mark as in progress while you process the order. When you're ready for your customer to come pick up, click Mark as ready. And lastly, select Mark Picked Up. If you're managing shipped orders online, click Mark as in progress while you process the order, and when you're ready to send your customer the items, select Mark Shipped. Choose to add tracking information or skip. Once you complete an order, you can view the transaction details. To get started managing orders from the Square app, tap the 3 horizontal lines to bring up the main menu, and then select Orders. For pickup, tap on an order to bring up the details page and click Mark as in progress. When you're ready for the order to be picked up, tap Mark as ready. Once the order leaves your business, tap Mark Picked Up. If the order is being shipped, after the order is marked as in progress, you can tap Marked as Shipped and enter the tracking information or skip. To learn more, visit square.com/help and search keyword online orders.